Hi everybody, good afternoon. Today we are going to see the budget view for the Nifty. Kindly bear with me. So today I'm actually doing a live from my broker office. So might be some noise could have been there. Please kindly bear with me if that is the case. Okay, from my side today we are going to see what is the bank Nifty view and data point of view, and what is the position I'm planning to initiate for the day. Okay, so going to the chart. This is the Nifty chart. 30 minutes chat. So what I did was I just already shared you this my view on the bank Nifty on a high time frame, sorry, Nifty on the high time frame, connecting all these trend line channels. Okay, I just marked the Fibonacci retracement here. So what I was expecting is around this 0.382, the market can take resistance. So around this place, I want to initiate some positions. Okay, expecting that if it breaks, uh, my view is something like this. If it is going to break, then it can come here. Okay, max to max, I'm expecting this zone to sustain. And then if it fails, it can go and it can come here. Okay, this is my view. So for the position, what I did was I'm just already taken few of the positions, just pulling it up for you guys. So this is the position I have taken. So 17500 call, 2 lot I have bought. Sorry, 3 lot I have bought. Again 17700 3 lot I have bought. I sold 18,000 call, and for the protection I bought this. Okay, so looking at all these things, so I'm just showing it as a I will show you some. So this is I've already entered all the things whichever I bought. Okay, so this is the quantity. So this is my payoff. That means what? Looking at the data, so what I'm expecting is I'm little bullish because yesterday itself I said I'm slightly bullish in the Nifty. That means what slightly bullish. What I'm expecting is market may consolidate here or it can fail, no problem. But if it goes, I'm expecting this 0.382. So from here, max to max can go here. This is what my expectation. So there are three possibilities in this view. So bullish, or it can fail, or it can sustain. So for that, I initiated my position with that in mind. So what if it is going to go down? So my capital deployed is 10 lakhs, right? So actually, I'm planning to deploy more than 25 to 30 lakhs, but just waiting for market to settle in the premium because you guys know that tomorrow we have budget, so volatility will slightly increase. So during that time, I might add a little more questions. So that's what I was planning. Thing is, I was expecting to take positions around this place, so I took it exactly at the resistance, and then I was uh, wanting to add more position when the volatility is increasing. If it is not increasing, then I will leave it only with this quantity. Means 10 lakh is the deployed capital. So if it comes down, what is the max profit I'm going to get? 9,000. So 1% of the deployed capital I'll be getting. But if at all, if it is going to move and stay in this zone, by tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, if it is going to stay here, I am going to get a little more profit. That's a plan. In case if it is going beyond this 0.68, the golden ratio, you guys are well aware of Fibonacci, right? Or if not, please go through a technical video session done in 0 to Pro. So I'm expecting, so we'll take a resistance here. If it comes down, I'll get 1%. If it is going to stay in between this, I will get good amount. And if it is going to go further, I will adjust my upside risk. Okay, accordingly, that's what my plan is. In case tomorrow if there is a gap down and going to go down, so I will go home with 1%. Right? Even if it stays here, I'll be still making 1% for the week, right? So that's what my plan was. And when I will be adjusting is when this 0.618, this golden ratio is taken out on 30 minutes basis tomorrow. Then I will try to adjust my position. That is the case because I have slightly mildly bullish. I have not taken position for the heavy bullish. That is the reason why you have a risk here. So I'm trying to maintain my risk reward as uh, you can mark it out. The risk reward here is almost what? So 1:4 or 1:5 I have taken. So this seems to be like max profit. It seems to be around this place, right? 1.6 max, and then the max loss for this strategy is around 4 lakhs. So 1:4 is what I have taken. But when the time it becomes the crossing the golden ratio, I'll be negotiating my risk. So risk reward or extending the DP that I can be done after studying the chart and the data point of view. So if you ask me what is the data point of view, so I'm just the put call dynamics. I'm just opening. So Nifty currently I'm seeing. So looking at this, so calls are written comparatively more than the puts. That means slightly bearish. But if you look at the monthly data, so this is the monthly data. So that means here puts are written heavily. So that means it's an tug of war going on between the weekly writers of the put and the monthly writers of the put. Okay. So for that reason, I'm mildly bullish. Okay, even if it uh, the budget wise, if it is any negative is there, so I will try to get at least 1% of the deployed gain, right? So this was the plan for me right now. And looking at the data, this is what my stance also. So looking at the data, yes, the call rating is going on heavily compared to the put rating, but when it comes to the monthly, so it looks like puts are like heavily written compared to the calls on the monthlies. So we will see, we will come to know after the news is over. So tomorrow we will get a clear clarity on the chart. Okay. So what I'm expecting is right now, maybe it will bounce. So again, I'm just validating, means I'm reassuring my view. So it may from here, there may be a breakout above this 0.3 point retracement. So from there, it can go here and take somewhere resistance in between this zone. This is what my expectation. That is why I chose all those strikes or whatever strategy I took. So if tomorrow, if any of these things is failing, that means if the view is crossing this, then I will negotiate my risk on the upside. Means I'm mildly bullish, so I will try to concentrate on the risk if it is become an heavily bullish, right? So from my side, I think this is the view I just wanted to share with you guys. So from tomorrow onwards, we will be taking like we'll be having the views on the aftermarket hours most probably. So today is a budget day, so I just wanted to share during the day like what is the trade I'm planning to take. So hope this makes sense. So if any doubt is there, please let me know. Anybody you can ask me in the chat, or else you can me on our Telegram channel, right? So I think yes, was a plan for just 10 minutes. I wanted to share you all these details which I'm doing. So in case if anybody new is watching, please subscribe to our channel. So keep visiting all our regular videos. Be aware of all the facts and so any doubt is there, please let me know. Thanks Pradeep for your message on the chat. So if in case any doubt is there, you can ask your doubt in the chat, or else we can finish this video. So right now, this is what my view is. So based on the view, this is what my strategy is. So mildly bullish. Okay, when the mild bullishness will get into extreme bullishness, I will try to negotiate my risk reward or PEPs. Or if it is again to go in the down move, so I can say book 1 to 2%, like, roughly 1% of my deployed capital. So I was expecting to deploy more. In case if I'm deploy more, I will update in my Telegram channel that if I'm adding more to my questions, because I wanted to have a little ballooned premiums to have my questions, because if any rise tomorrow, then it will add NTM. It will add to my NTM provided if the VIX is not crashing tomorrow. Most probably after the event or during the event, the VIX will crash. But I do not want to take short volatility trades. That is the reason why I am slowly waiting for Vega to increase to add my questions. So hope this is clear, guys. Thank you. Catch you tomorrow. So any doubt, you can reach me on our Telegram channel. So thank you, guys. Wish you safe expiry week, the budget week for that. Thank you.